going to just grab this ball from Dollar Tree and we're going to spray paint them in gold just like that. Then we're going to go ahead and grab our hot glue and put it in the top of the ball, and we're going to attach it to this tray that they also have in Dollar Tree. Then we're going to take this candle holder and place it on top as well. We're going to use two of them, one on each side, just like that. Then go ahead and grab your flower, whatever flower you would like, a color. I think it will look super cute. And then you could use some green, put it on the side, on each side, and then just fill it up the flower, put some glass on. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. It came out super cute. I love that you can use it for a wedding or a home decor. It's up to you. And this is how it look with the candle on. It's super cute. I loved it. And for the next DIY, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab 3 of these mirrors from Dollar Tree as well. I'm gonna grab a sheet of piece of paper, and I'm going to trace it like that, and that's just to give me the shape of the circle of the mirror. So I'm just gonna go ahead and trace it all around it until I get it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it out just like that. Then after I'm done cutting it out, I'm gonna grab some tape all around it and place it in my mirrors like that, so when I spray paint it, it won't spray paint on the mirrors. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab these round mirrors, and I'm just going to go ahead and spray paint the frame as well. Then after I'm done that, I'm just going to go ahead and grab a mirror that I spray paint. I'm going to use some hot glue, but please make sure to use E6000 for better attachment. Then I'm going to go ahead and place my mirror on top of the other mirror just like that. Close your mirror in the back. And after that, go ahead and grab your paper and take it out from the inside of the mirror. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. It came out super cute. It looks amazing on my wall. I loved it, how it came out. I hope you guys like it as well. You can also do it in different colors if you like, silver or whatever color you have. For the next DIY, I just grabbed 3 of these bottle they have in Dollar Tree that I think they are super cute, and I went ahead and grabbed them and I spray paint them in gold as well. Then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some hot glue on the top and put this glass on top, and you can also put a candle inside. And then for the next DIY, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some hot glue and put another bottle on top. Please make sure to use E6000s. I'm using glue, but you make sure to use E6000s for all of them. After you attach all 3 of them together, let me show you how the first look turns out. This is the one just with 2 and 1. You can look it up. You could do it like that. It looks super cute and simple to do, you guys, and it looks very elegant. Please let me know which one is your favorite. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. For the next one where you use the 3 bottles, this is how it turns out. Super cute as well. I hope you guys like it. Let's not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the little bell if you want to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you guys like them all.